Good evening. This is India Markets Brief from Toro IQ. India closed green today, and the reason was made entirely at home. The Reserve Bank of India opened a new window that lets banks raise cheaper foreign currency deposits from non residents, with the RBI itself taking on the currency hedging cost. That cut what banks pay for funding. So bank stocks jumped and pulled the whole index up. The Nifty rose 0.5% on the back of banks alone. Here is where the market closed today. The Nifty 50 finished at 23,242, up 0.5%, and almost all of that lift came from financials. The public sector bank index led, up 3.6%, with every one of its 12 members green, and the broader bank Nifty rose 2%. The one red sector was information technology, down 0.5%. The fear gauge, India VIX, fell more than 8% to 15.6. The look of a relief session, not a conviction breakout. And here is the more telling part. The rest of Asia ripped today on chip stocks, Korea up more than 8%, but India barely owns that trade and sat the rally out. What matters more is how India made its own gain. Foreign investors were still net sellers, pulling out 4,500 crore rupees, while domestic funds bought 6,000. And the rupee still weakened even though the dollar was soft. So the green was a homemade policy bid, and foreign money was still leaving. Now the macro frame. Today's deposit window sits on top of last week's bond tax ordinance, which scrapped the taxes foreign investors pay on Indian government bonds. Together, they pushed the 10-year yield to a 4-week low of 6.9%. But this policy is a response to pressure that has not yet turned. The monsoon is the standing food worry, forecast below normal at about 90% of average. Now the movers. The keenest winner was J&K India, up almost 16%. It makes heating equipment, and it won a large order from an Emirates firm for an Abu Dhabi gas project, taking the stock up about 90% this year. The second story was defense. Data patterns rose 10% and Paras defense almost 8, both at new highs, as 25 of 27 tracked defense names rose on strong order book outlooks. The third was L&T Technology Services, up 8% against a red IT sector, on the sale of one of its units. Now what to watch, and it is Friday's question. India's May inflation figure lands, the first read after this policy package, and the food part is the one to watch given the weak monsoon. The same day brings the Reserve Bank's weekly reserves figure, the cleanest sign of how hard it is defending the rupee. And watch the rupee itself, because foreign money is still leaving. That's your brief. Before I sign off, this has been general market commentary, not investment advice. For investment advice tailored to your situation, consult a SEBI registered investment advisor. Markets are risky, you may lose money, act with care. See you tomorrow.